If I could stay home, I would, but I can go out, so I will. I am tired. Hopefully I won't fall asleep. The hills are alive with the sound of... I am so tired, but I've spent about an hour in the tub, hot water. I'm now getting dressed because I'm going to go into the city, and then in a couple of hours I will be eating Markus, not Markus the tall one. No, that's that's Martin. So no, it's just Markus. He's a great director. If I could stay home, I would, but I can go out, so I will. I am tired. Hopefully I won't fall asleep. The hills are alive with the sound of... If I could stay home, I would, but I can go out, so I will. I am tired. Hopefully I won't fall asleep. The hills are alive with the sound of... If I could stay home, I would, but I can go out, so I will. I am tired. Hopefully I won't fall asleep. The hills are alive with the sound of... So people, there's a little spice and tea shop on Ringvägen on Söder, which is one of the islands in Stockholm. And I'm going to go there and buy some cardamom tea as a thank you for Markus inviting me. Well, I guess I'll have to pay for the ticket, but he thought about me. So I'm going to give him a smallish packet of that tea because I absolutely adore it. Have you ever tried cardamom tea? It's to die for. So here it is, people. On the way here, I was thinking it's something with Ceylon and something sort of, there's a play with words. And then suddenly I realized, no, Sri Lanka, like in Sri Lanka. So Lanka tea and spice import. Tea, spices and pickles. Oh, do you know about pickles? These are spices. And behind the counter there's tea. People, I'm now going to go over to my other account and speak Swedish and talk about a play a production I'm not really that interested in seeing. But I'll do it anyway. Så här är det här veganska fiket vi tycker om. Café Plattan på bottenvåningen. Här är biljett och shop. Här hittar jag en liten utställning av Sound of Music. Agatha från Trapp, Memories Before and After the Sound of Music. Hon tjänar ju inga pengar alls på the Sound of Music. Så här står min kompis Markus nu. Bestämmer sig för någonting veganskt antagligen. Kolla in det här. Jag hänger här med lite folk som har varit med i en liten föreställning idag.
God, I hope I get it. I hope I get it. How many people does he need?
Tackar. Hello people, I'm back. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I had a beer and talked to a lot of really nice people There's this bar where all the actors go after the show, and we sat there talking. I wasn't really that. I'm not crazy about the set design. Costumes, nice. I would like to see them sort of a bit more used, maybe. They look sort of, looks like no one ever worn them before. That's it. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.